There are exactly 5 ways to make real money with AI in 2026. Not 15, not 27, 5. And 3 of them require zero technical background, zero coding experience, and zero prior clients. I tested all 5 personally. Here is what actually works and what does not. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Wealth AI, where we turn artificial intelligence into actual income. A lot of channels in this space give you a list of 20 AI side hustles. They all sound good. Most of them have never been tested by the person recommending them. Most of them do not work at scale. This video is different.
Five methods, all income generating, all realistic for beginners, all tested. I will tell you how each one works, the realistic income ceiling, how long it takes to see your first rupee, and critically, which methods are already oversaturated in 2026 and not worth your time. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which method matches your skills, your schedule, and your income goal, and you will have your first three action steps written down. Let's go! Method 1, AI Writing Services. Starters viable but only in the right niche. The surface level version of this is oversaturated. I will write blog posts using ChatGPT. There are thousands of Fiverr gigs doing that at RAL 500. That is not the angle.
The viable angle is specialized writing for specific industries, email sequences for SaaS companies, product descriptions for premium D2C brands, technical documentation for software startups, thought leadership content for Indian founders on LinkedIn. Here is why specialized writing pays more. Generic prompts produce generic output. A specialized client brief written for a specific industry with specific context produces output that generic Fiverr sellers cannot replicate. That gap is your income. Income range 20,000 rupees to 1.5 lakh rupees per month. Time to first income 1 to 2 weeks. Best for people who read widely and can identify quality writing. No technical skills needed. Method 2, research and intelligence reports. Status: high demand, low competition. The best kept secret in this space.
Most people underestimate how much businesses pay for organized information. A startup preparing for a funding pitch needs a competitive landscape report, 10 to 15 pages analyzing 5 to 8 competitors. A brand launching a new product needs customer sentiment analysis from online reviews. A consultant needs weekly industry summaries for their clients. All of this information is publicly available. The skill is finding it, compiling it, and using Claude to synthesize it into a professional document that a CEO can read in 10 minutes.
The clients who pay the most for this: startups, management consultants, B2B companies, marketing agencies, all of them routinely spend 25,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees on research. Income range 30,000 rupees to 2 lakh rupees per month at scale. Time to first income 2 to 3 weeks. Best for curious people who enjoy researching topics. No writing background required. Method 3, AI automation services. Status: highest income ceiling of all 5. Steeper learning curve, entirely worth it. Small businesses lose hours every week to repetitive tasks: data entry, report generation, spreadsheet updates, email sorting. AI can automate all of it. The problem is that business owners do not know how to build these systems. Your job is to build them. Here is the shortcut that removes the technical barrier. You do not code the automation yourself. You use Claude to write the code. You test it on sample data. You verify the output matches the client brief. You deliver.
Reassuring your skill is not coding. It is understanding a client's workflow well enough to brief Claude correctly. That is learnable in 2 to 3 weeks. The highest paying automation projects right now: product description generators for e commerce stores, monthly reporting dashboards for small businesses, data cleaning scripts for financial firms, and client onboarding document generators for service businesses. Income range Royal 40,000 to Royal 30 lakh per month. Time to first income 3 to 4 weeks.
Best for logical thinkers who enjoy solving process problems. Some patience required in month 1. Method 4, AI content packages for small businesses. Status: steady demand, highly systematizable. Every local business in India, restaurants, gyms, clinics, law firms, real estate agencies, needs content. Social media posts, WhatsApp broadcast messages, email newsletters, Google business updates, monthly promotional offers. Most of them either post inconsistently because they are too busy, or they pay expensive agencies 30,000 rupees to 60,000 rupees per month for the same work you can deliver at 10,000 rupees to 15,000 rupees. Your advantage: With Claude and a well-built prompt system, you can manage 5 to 8 of these clients simultaneously in about 10 hours per week. 5 clients at 12,000 rupees per month, 60,000 rupees, recurring every month without finding new clients. Income range 30,000 rupees to 1 lakh rupees per month. Time to first income 1 to 2 weeks. Best 4. Organized people who like working with multiple clients. Ideal for those who want stable monthly income. Quick note, your one action after this video, get the free Wealth AI newsletter from the link in the description. You will get the exact Fiverr profile template and first client outreach message for all 5 of these methods. No course, no upsell, just the templates. Now, method 5. Method 5. Selling Claude AI prompt packs and skill files as digital products. Status. Fastest growing. Almost entirely uncrowded in India. Here is how it works. You build a collection of tested specialized prompts for a specific use case. Marketing for yoga studios, SEO content for e-commerce, script writing for Indian YouTubers, pitch decks for startup founders. You package it as a digital product, a PDF, a Notion template, a Google Doc. You sell it on Gumroad or TopMate. Price range 500 rupees to 5000 rupees per product depending on depth and specificity. Why this works? Most people who want to use Claude for their business do not know how to brief it properly. You solve that problem with a pre-tested, ready-to-use system. They pay once, you earn repeatedly. The upside. Digital products scale with no additional work. One prompt pack sold 200 times at 2000 rupees each is 4 lakh rupees from one file. Income range unpredictable at first, 5000 rupees to 50,000 rupees per month at mid scale with the right distribution. No ceiling above that. Time to first income 2 to 4 weeks. Best for people who want passive income and are willing to build upfront. Here is the honest verdict on all 5. Fastest path to first income, writing services or content packages. Lowest barrier, first client possible within 2 weeks. Highest income ceiling, automation services. 3 lakh rupees per month is achievable by month 6. Higher learning curve, significantly higher rewards. Best for passive income and scaling. Digital products. Build once, earn repeatedly. And here is the most important thing I can tell you today. The mistake 90% of people make is trying all 5 at once and mastering none of them. Pick one method, run it for 60 days, get to 30,000 rupees per month from that one method. Then and only then add a second. Trying to build 5 streams simultaneously when you have 0 clients is not a diversification strategy. It is a distraction strategy. Your action step, go to the comment section right now and write one sentence. Which method you are starting with and why. That public commitment matters. It increases follow through by a significant margin. I am reading every comment and I will reply to every single one. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Every week, one tool, one video, one step closer to financial freedom. I'll see you in the next one.